Hello and a warm welcome to my fellow L&D professionals, and in fact to anyone else who wants to learn more about the digital world of virtual classrooms and more. I'm Richard, the creator of this channel, and it's here for the purpose of building a community that shares best practice and learns from one another, a truly collaborative space. My videos, they're a starting point. I hope you'll then use the comments section to ask questions, share ideas, contribute with your own knowledge and experiences. Now, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to the channel and press that little bell button below. That way our community can continue to grow and this channel, the Virtual Classroom Coach, can become a truly valuable platform of collaboration. Thank you.